Bullet points in Microsoft Word will make your list of items more attractive and presentable. So if you want to create a menu with a list of items that you sell or maybe a list of services you provide, then you should consider applying bullet points in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. I teach you how to apply the bullet points in Microsoft Word. So let's start by seeing how we can add symbol and picture bullets in our bullets library. Now to do that, click here on Home tab, then under the paragraph category, click here on the bullets drop down menu. Then as you can see our bullet library, there are a few bullets here. Now to add some other bullets or symbol and picture bullets, we click here on define new bullet, click that one. Then this new bullet pop up here, this wizard. Now here is where now we can add symbol and picture bullets. Now let's start by adding symbol bullet. You click here on the symbol bullet. So here on the symbol bullet, as you can see, we have so many symbols that we can apply to our bullet library. Maybe I like this one for the love symbol. I click on it, then I click here on OK. Then as you can see, this is the preview and it shows how our bullet will look like when applied on our list of items. So let's click OK again here. So let's go back to our bullet library. As you can see, it is here on recently used bullets and also on the bullet library. This is our symbol bullet. Now to add a picture bullet to our bullet library, you just come here down, click here on define new bullet, click that on define new bullet. Then this time don't click on symbol, click on picture. So now we upload our picture bullet. Let me upload one from my desktop. I just upload one. Let me do that. So I want to upload this asterisk picture. So I just click on it. Then I click here on insert. So as you can see, this is a preview of our picture bullet. Then I click here on OK. Then I go back to the bullet library. As you can see, it is here on the recently used bullets and also it is here on our bullet library. So that is how you can add symbol and picture bullets in our bullet library. Now let's see how we can apply bullet points before we type our list of items. Click anywhere you want to apply the bullet before you type any list of items. So I've just clicked here, then I make sure I am on the Home tab. Then on here on the bullets, click here on the drop down menu. Maybe I don't want to use the already default bullets. Maybe I can apply the one that I have added to our bullet library. Maybe I want this row. I can click on it. So as you can see, it is here applied on our document. So maybe I can now start typing a list of my items. So let me type them. When I click enter, you'll see our bullet will be applied. When I click enter again, it is applied. So that is how you can apply a bullet point before you type any list of items. To stop applying the bullet point, what I'm going to do is just double click the enter key like that. Remove the applied bullets on our list of items. You just select all the items like that. Then you come here on the bullet menu, then click here on none. Now let's see how we can apply bullet points when we already have a list of items. Select them like that. Then you come here on the bullet menu. Now you just select the bullet type you want. As you can see, when you hover over a certain type of bullet, it is shown here. Maybe when I hover on this asterisk, this one for love, this one. So as you can see, it depends on the one that you want. Maybe let me just apply any. Maybe I can apply that one, the dotted bullet point. As you can see, my list now as bullet points. Now that is how you can apply bullet points after you type your list of items. Now let's see how we can change the levels of our bulleted list of items. Now to do that, we have two options. The option number one is to just select the items that you want to change their level, because for now all these items are on level 1. Maybe let's say I want to change these two items, the boiled chicken and the roasted chicken, maybe to level 2. What I'm going to do is just select them, then come here, make sure you are on the home tab, then click here on the bullet menu, drop down list, then scroll down here until you reach here on change list level. As you can see here, they are now the levels. When you point at this, the first one, you see it is level 1, then the second one is level 2, level 3. As you continue, it is limited to level 9. So we can only change the levels of our bulleted list items up to level 9. So those two items that I selected, I just want to move them to level 2. I just click here on level 2 like that, and they are moved. Maybe I also want to change these two items to maybe level 3, the fried beef and the boiled beef. But now let's see the option number 2, that is using the tab key in our keyboard. So what we are going to do, when you press or you tap on your tab key on the keyboard, if you press once, it moves the item to the next level. If I press once like that, it is on the second level. When I press on the second time, it moves to the third level, because all these items previously were on level 1. So that is how you can change the levels of the bulleted list of items. See now how we can change color and size of bullets on these different levels. Now to do that, maybe for these 4 bullets, this one and these 3 are on the first level. Now to change their size and color, I just click on the first bullet, and the others will be selected. So let me do that. I click like that, and these other 3 are selected. Then to change their size and color, I just come here on the home tab, then here on the size I can change the size. Maybe I want 16. I just click on it. To change the color, I come here on the color, I click on the drop down menu, I select the color that I want. Maybe I want red, I just click on it and it is applied. As you can see, the others have not changed, so I also want to give them a different color. Maybe these two, for boiled chicken and roasted chicken, I want to give them a different size and different color. So when I click on the first one, the second one will be selected. So let me do that. Select like that. The second one is selected also. Let me change the size. Maybe this time I want 12. Then color, I will choose a different one. Maybe I put yellow like that. So, and for the rest level, which is level 3 for fried beef and boiled beef, I want also to put a different size and color. I select like that. Then I come here on the size, pick a size. Maybe I want maybe 22. Then I pick a different color. Maybe I want that one. I just click on it and it is applied. So that's all I have in this video, and if you found the video useful, kindly remember to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel to never miss on my easy but informative digestible tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.